easiest way to make money online is going to be revealed in this video. This is absolutely exclusive content only available on my channel, and this is the strategy which has never been revealed before. So definitely smash the like button and smash the subscribe button so that you can get this exclusive content about make money online, which you can utilize and take the first movers advantage and make the maximum money as soon as possible. Okay, so now let's jump into our awesome content. Step 1, you just need to go to fiverr.com and you need to search this floral designs. Okay, so you can see there are only 278 people who are just providing this service, and there is absolutely very less competition in this niche on Fiverr. So first step, you need to go to Fiverr and create a gig in this really awesome niche. Okay, I'm gonna show you how you can design this floral pattern absolutely very simply and very easily, even just by clicking your mouse. Okay, that's real simple and easy is what I'm going to reveal to you. Okay, so this is the first step which you need to complete and get your gig, because it has really low competition and there is the greatest chance that you would be making some good money in this niche. Okay, so step 1 has to be this. Okay, so once you have completed this step, then you need to go to one another website which is known as latium.org. Now you can also sign up here and create a gig. Okay, now you can see there is only one person who is providing this service on this platform, okay, which is pattern making. So you can also provide this service on this platform which is known as latium.org, and you can just provide this service because no other marketer is providing this service on this platform. So absolutely you are gonna be one of the first ones who will be providing this service on this platform. So in the future there will be more and more chance for you to earn more money with this. Okay, so this is something which you need to do. Okay, so these are the first 2 steps which you need to complete. Sign up for Fiverr and create a gig, sign up for latium.org and create a gig about pattern making, and on Fiverr you can just select floral pattern because floral pattern has the least amount of competition. Okay, so once you have done it, now let me show you a AI based software which is really powerful and which makes this type of designs for you really very fast and easy. Okay, and it's really very simple. All you need to do is go to this website which is known as flaticon.com, and then you just need to type /patterns. Okay, you just need to go to this website that is known as flaticon.com as /patterns. Okay, then you just need to click on this packs. When you click on this packs, you will find all this. Okay, so I have searched for flowers over here. Okay, so I just search for flowers, then you can find all these flowers over here. Now for example, I want to make a design. This is these are premium flowers, but we don't need a premium package for this. Okay, it's really easy, you can do it with free one. Okay, so you just need to click on this flowers, and we require a pattern which is related to flower. Okay, so you just click on this flower, then you just click on this button which is known as random pattern. Okay, over here the button is random pattern, and once you click on that, you can see this. Okay, it has generated a new design for me. It has again generated a new design for me. This one looks really awesome. Okay, so this is one of the pattern which we just designed in just 5 to 10 seconds. Now you just need to go over here, change the background color, whatever background you want of this. I would love to have it yellow background. Okay, so you can see this pattern has been generated for us. All you need to do is click on this download button. You can just select the size over here, and you just need to select PNG, and you can just download the pattern to your computer, and you can see now it's downloaded to my computer. Now it's done. Now once you get an order on Fiverr, come to this platform, design a pattern just like this one and deliver to your client as soon as possible, and you can start making money with this strategy. Same is the process with this platform which is known as latium.org. Once someone provides you with some product project. Okay, so you can just come over here, then you can just go over here, search for the patterns. Okay, search, you can just go over here and search for any of the packs. Okay, if someone tells you that they want a design regarding some object, then you can just come over here, search that particular object, and when you find that object, you just need to click on this create random pattern, and it will absolutely create that pattern for you, and so that you can start making money with this really simple awesome software. And this is available absolutely for free. You don't even need to sign up for the software, and that's something which is really awesome. And once you start making money with this, then you can just get the premium version of this Flattycoin and make even more patterns and make even more money. That's the best and easiest thing to do for you and make money online. This is something which is absolutely exclusive and new content which is available only on my channel. So if you got some value out of this video, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching this awesome video.